The US Supreme Court has delivered a major blow to Donald Trump. Nearly every person born on US soil will retain the right to American citizenship. The 6-3 ruling, delivered by Chief Justice John Roberts, upheld the long-held interpretation of a pivotal clause from the Constitution.
Children born in the United States to parents unlawfully or temporarily present are subject to the jurisdiction of the United States and are citizens at birth under the 14th Amendment's Citizenship Clause.
Hours after he was sworn into office for a second term, the US President signed an executive order to limit birthright citizenship. However, it was quickly challenged and blocked by lower courts. Trump then pushed even harder, attending in person the oral arguments in the Supreme Court. A key claim by his Solicitor General was that the amendment in question was encouraging illegal immigration into the country.
It has spawned a sprawling industry of birth tourism as uncounted thousands of foreigners from potentially hostile nations have flocked to give birth in the United States in recent decades.
The American Civil Liberties Union, however, defended the importance of upholding the Constitution and argued that the proposed change would be logistically chaotic and impact hundreds of thousands of people each year.
Thousands of American babies will immediately lose their citizenship. And if you credit the government's theory, the citizenship of millions of Americans, past, present, and future, could be called into question.
But the final day of the Supreme Court term was not a total loss for the president's agenda. Among the day's rulings, a law banning transgender girls and women from playing school sports in roughly half of American states was upheld. And the justices ended limits on campaign spending by political parties at federal elections, paving the way for big money to have an even bigger role in US politics.